Okay, let's look at this question for students who are doing a lower grade. So to solve, to factorize this kind of question, there are some of the basic formula that you need to know. For example, a squared minus b squared. So you have a minus b and a plus b. This is how you factorize a squared minus b squared. So now, when you look at this question, we need to have something that will be like a squared from both of the terms. So now when you look at 144, this can be changed to 2 to the exponent 2, 12 to the exponent 2, okay? Then you factorize 2, you put 2 there, then you have a bracket, so this will be 2, because when you have a to the exponent n and the exponent m, you can multiply the 2. Can you see? You can multiply the exponent. So here we have 15, okay, because 15 squared, 15 times 15 will be 225. So we have a 2. Then we have a y to the exponent 2, we open bracket, then we have another 2 there. So therefore, we'll have here 12, there is the x here, x squared, because another thing, when you have a squared, okay, a exponent n, b exponent n, you can have a times b and 1 exponent. So if you have a common exponent, for example, x exponent n multiplied by y exponent n, this can be xy all exponent n. Can you see? xy x exponent n. Alright, so now what we do here, let me just try to get this. Okay, what we do here, we have a minus 15, and then we have a y squared all to the exponent 2, okay? So here we consider x squared as a, okay, and we consider x squared as a and y squared as b, okay? So we have a kind of 12x squared, so we have a. So if you represent here by a, so we have something like this, 15 squared, then we have a b squared. So once we group this, we group them by, can you see? We group them by like this. Then we have a 12. Instead of a, we put x squared. Alright? And instead of b, we put y squared. Okay, so this is what we did here actually. Now, once you are done here, what you do, then you apply this formula, okay? Okay, let's do this. This will be all squared. So you apply this formula. What is your a? This will represent your a. This will represent your b. So by using this formula, we have a minus b, so we have a 12x squared. Okay, sorry. 12x squared. We open bracket, 12x squared minus your b, which is a 15y squared, close bracket, we open another bracket, 12x squared plus 15y squared. So this is our first question. Okay, this is how you solve it. Now let's move to the next question. Okay, what will be the next question? Sorry, the next question will have okay, I wanted to change the color here, but it's fine as we have this color. We're gonna use this one. All right, now question number 2. All right, what is question number 2? You look at this question, we have a 3x squared, we have a 3x, and we have a 18. So all this number can be divided by 3, okay? Which means the common factor will be 3, okay? Therefore, we have a x squared, and then here will be x. If we divide here by 3, here we have a 6. Okay, so therefore we have 3 brackets, then we have x. So we factorize 3. This is not equation equal to 0, so you divide both sides. No, you factorize, okay? You factorize 3. So now you can factorize what is in the middle here now, the remaining, okay? Now, how do you factorize the quadratic equation? You look at the last number, and then you can say, which number can you multiply by another number can give you 6? It's 3 times 2 will be what? 6. Between 3 and 2, the biggest number is 3. So what do you do in this case? The biggest number will have the sign of a middle. If it's negative, biggest number will be negative. A smaller number will be positive. Why? To get this number, we need minus 3 plus 2 will give us minus 1. So this is the factor of this number 2. Okay? Now, let's look at question number 3 now. Question number 3. We have ax plus by plus ay minus bx. So when you look at here, you have to see how you can factorize this. We have the y and the x, okay? So I think y and the x, and then we have a 2a and 2b. I think what you must do here is to group the a's in their side, okay? We have a ax, and then we have a y. Can you see? And here we have by, and then we have a bx. What can happen in this case, okay? We have to factorize a. So what will remain here? X plus y. We factorize a, meaning that we take out a, x will remain. We take out a, y will remain. Now, if we take out minus b, because it's negative, we take out the minus, so y will be positive and the x will be positive. Let's start from x and we have y. So now look at the x plus y. X plus y became a common factor for these two. Therefore, you have x plus y, and then what will remain here is a, and what will remain there is b, because you take out this. So this is how you factorize number 3. Thank you.